here's the room tour. We are staying at the Neo Soho Central Park in Jakarta, room 3823. And we are on the 38th floor. And this is what the room looks like. So let's start off over here, bathroom. Just a standard bathroom, I suppose. Oh, this is actually a half bath. So there's gotta be a shower somewhere else, let's hope. You have a very big kitchen area, refrigerator, water dispenser. We have a couch. We're gonna get to this later. We have a loft. That's right up here. So this loft here has a king-size bed. And here's the shower in the bathroom. We have a washing machine, thankfully. And this is why I spent the extra money. Look at this view of the city. Unfucking believable. Look at this. So I actually requested this room. Yeah, and I paid a little extra for this room because I'm going to take some photos and videos of this, and it's supposed to be absolutely amazing when the sun goes down. Now, I've also been told that there's some smog in this city, which you can actually see, so we may not get some sun rises and sun sets. Hopefully we do. But welcome to Jakarta, everyone. This is the Neo Soho. And it is a hotel and a mall also. And I'll be getting some good video footage of that afterwards. But we are up on top of the world. You get the entire view of Jakarta from up here. And this is the room. One of the nice things I've found at these Southeast Asian hotels is pools on the roof or on the terrace, in this case on the 9th floor. There is a really nice pool. It looks like an infinity pool. We will definitely be hitting this up tomorrow or the next day, but since we got in here at night, we're not going to do much with it tonight. But if you're going to come to Southeast Asia, almost any location, even Cambodia, make sure you get a hotel with a pool. You can get, again, reasonably cheap accommodations with the pool. Now you can see this one here. You can see from the swimming pool, you can see Jakarta. Now we are a lot higher up in our rooms. We're at the 38th floor. This is 9, but it's still a hell of a view for a pool. Look at that. So, again, for this room review so far, I have to say it's excellent, outstanding. We'll see more as we go along, but there's the pool. There's also included with this rental is a full fitness center. And I think there's even more. There might be a sauna. I'll just take a peek over here. Oh, that's just a changing room. But over here, there's a fitness center. Looks like a pretty full fitness center. Not bad anyway, with cardio and weights. So I don't want to be rude and be filming all those people, but just so you get an idea. So I have to say this place is pretty kick-ass so far. We'll see as the night goes on and as the week goes on, but so far so good here. There's the Echo Walk between the malls Very cool. Yeah, there's a Starbucks. Of course, have to have a Starbucks. Wow. Let's see how long this lasts before it triggers my vertigo. These are some tall ass buildings. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh, wow. That's, all right. So I can't, hey, Sophia. You film that up here. I can't look.
Oh, so high. Okay.
Thank you. It looks like they went out of their way to make this area here really just, I don't know, the center, like this is the mall area. And Jakarta really just kind of went all out with this area here to make it money. Money, money, money. Rupiah, please. Now, interestingly enough, in a lot of other countries, Southeast Asian countries, a place like this is where all the homeless people and the people begging for money are. I don't see any of that here at all. And I'm guessing that's on purpose. They must monitor and really prosecute us like that because nothing. It's nice and clean. We've been staying at the Neo Soho Hotel in Jakarta West. This is an Airbnb. I will put the link in the description for you. We are on the 38th floor of the tower, and I did this mostly for the view, although the room itself is excellent, as you've seen during the tour. The question is, should you rent this and is it worth $100 a night? Now, keep in mind that in Jakarta, there are a lot of places that are cheaper. You can get rooms as low as $30 a night, and they look like they're decent rooms. I chose this specifically for the view, as you've seen again during my video, and you can see it again now, hopefully. The view is outstanding as far as from where you are. However, there is a constant smog, and you cannot see, you can see far, but you can't see as far as you'd like to take advantage of when you're at this height. So do consider that. Now, again, $100 gets you a pretty decent place. 2 floors, it's a loft, bathroom and a half. And I believe these are pretty representative of the other apartments here. Now they're all owned. And you rent them from the owners through Airbnb, obviously. So they're going to be different. Keep in mind also that the location of these are going to vary. You're not going to get the view that I got in any of these apartments specifically, except for this one. There are 40 floors, I think, at least, apartment levels. If you get it at another side, you're gonna get a different view, obviously. And if you get it on this level at a different location, you're gonna get a completely different view. Some are better, some are worse. I think this is one of the best locations view-wise. Again, so if you do like this view, the link will be in the description. So is it worth $100 a night? Yes, it is, for the view and the accommodations. Would I do it again? Probably not, because you could get this view from on top of the Jakarta Tower. Now, it's nice to look at, it's nice to come out and see. However, here are the negatives. There are little ants everywhere. Now, I believe these are everywhere in Jakarta. They're just tiny bugs. They come out as soon as you put something down. They're looking for food, obviously. I noticed it in the mall downstairs at the restaurants, and I noticed it out in Jakarta at the traditional Indonesian place I went to. Check out a different food tour video if you want to see that. Good food and fun. It's just the little bugs were there too. Where we are located, the Neo Soho is extremely loud at all times. There's music playing from the mall from 10 o'clock in the morning until about 9 o'clock at night. I think you might be able to hear this now. There's constantly music playing outside. When the mall starts, you're gonna hear the mall music. There is this, which is pounding on drums and singing. And then you're gonna get the Muslim call to prayer. It's beautiful. It's not the complaint. The complaint is you're gonna get woken up every single day at 4 o'clock in the morning. And then hear it again all throughout the day. So you're not gonna come out on the balcony and get like peace, if that's what you're looking for. It's a city, just keep that in mind. So that's my thought on the room. It is worth the $100. It might not be worth it for you, depending on what you need. And the last thought on Jakarta, which we'll go into in another video more, this is more of a place to come and work than to do a vacation. It's not a tourist-friendly place. So do consider that, take that into account before you rent a room here. If you're gonna be here for work for long periods of time, there are other areas. You're gonna need your sleep probably for work. So this might not be the best location for you. Anyway, this is my room review. And if you enjoyed it, check out my other room reviews. I also have food tours, restaurant reviews, and airport lounge reviews you can check out. Thanks for checking this out. That Big Bearded American Tourist, I'm Drake, and I'll see you next time.